Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to transfer Ethereum from Crypto.com to Revolut in 2025. If you're new to crypto or just want a hassle-free way to move your assets, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps together, so you can do this confidently and securely. First off, why bother with this transfer? Revolut offers a user-friendly way to hold and manage crypto alongside your traditional banking, while Crypto.com is great for trading. But remember, crypto transfers involve risks like fees and potential delays, so always double-check details and use secure connections. Before we start, make sure you have an active Crypto.com account with Ethereum in your wallet, a Revolut account set up for crypto, and two-factor authentication enabled on both for extra security. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app or website and log in. Head to your wallet section, select Ethereum, and choose the Withdraw or Send option. Step 2. In Revolut, open the app and go to your Crypto tab. Select Ethereum and tap on Deposit to view your unique Ethereum address. Copy this address carefully, it's case-sensitive and unique to your account. Step 3. Back in Crypto.com, paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, but keep an eye on any minimum limits or network fees displayed. Step 4. Double-check everything, the address, amount, and fees. Once you're sure, hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation code or transaction ID. Step 5. Sit tight. Ethereum transactions on the blockchain can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour in 2025, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com transaction history. Finally, once it's complete, check your Revolut app to confirm the Ethereum has arrived in your account. If you run into issues, both apps have support chats to help. A quick tip for 2025. Platforms like Crypto.com and Revolut might have updated interfaces or fees, so always use the latest app versions. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.